Low Poly City Test using TQ380 from AccuCities. This is a small section of London used as a benchmark. There is no intention of making the final result look like London. The model has no textures, no windows, no doors. Texturing a blank model is easy with Flux 2. The prompt I used was RefControl photorealistic cityscape replace blank walls with realistic facades. The prompt includes RefControl because I added depth guidance using the RefControl LoRA. Generating a depth map is straightforward with Blender. I'm also displaying it in false colors to make the depth variations easier to see. Here's the workflow to better illustrate how the RefControl LoRA is used. For the animation, I used an LTX 2.3 workflow. It uses first frame guidance and video depth guidance. The name of the workflow is displayed at the top of the video. My workflow is adapted to my hardware, so I don't need the depth anything process. I provide the depth map video directly. Here's the result. There is still too much warping. The walls appear to breathe. To improve the result, I took the last frame. I enhanced it with Flux 2.3. I used the prompt RefControl rectify for realism. I then used this frame as the last frame in a standard LTX 2.3 first frame, last frame video generation workflow. The result looks much better now. Finally, to slow down the animation, I generated an intermediate frame. I rendered 2 videos using first frame guidance. Then I stitched them together. I'm still not completely satisfied with the result, but I haven't found a better approach yet.